All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Daily Overview. As always, we're here getting our hands dirty and finding new opportunities in the market, covering what's going on behind the scenes, and thinking where the market will go next. I mean, there are many things going on in the market. Obviously, trade war now escalated, gold hitting all-time high, uh, just unstoppable. I'm seeing a lot of charts that BTC is very correlated to gold, and if this is true, then we're gonna see a massive impulse up that is probably not gonna give too many opportunities to get on board. It's just a consistent grind towards the upside. So very much looking forward to this. Gold is looking insane, just a parabolic run to the upside, and this is obviously fundamentally driven narrative. So there is not much that can stop this unless Trump and China will find sort of a consensus where they want to build a good friendly relationship, but this is far from it just yet. We need to see a major development on this front. So yeah, looking at BTC, we are in this insane consolidation box, which, what is important here is that this consolidation box actually comes from this impulse that started from 65,000 per BTC and went up to 109,000. So usually what happens is it acts as a continuation pattern, and even though we're also having this large double top pattern, then because it is coming from a clear impulse to the upside, this means that there is more likelihood that we are going to take out another high, and whether this momentum is going to continue, this remains to be seen. But yeah, BTC dominance still at 60, and this is very much covered on each episode here. Probably, most likely, we are going to see a sell-off at some point, but to time the market, this is something that I am not really good at, and I don't know a person who is good at it. So we're still looking at consolidation around 60 area, and then we can potentially go higher. But if we look at the general picture here, you see that the market is relatively unchanged and plus minus 1% on all across the board. So not much going on. It's a relatively boring market, and we're effectively just looking for the next move ahead. Now, this is the famous gold chart that I wanted to show you guys. It's relatively insane, and if you look at BTC, let's just compare this BTC to gold so that you have a clear understanding of what I actually have in mind here. So these charts, if we zoom out a bit, then on gold, we were this is very much the similar chart, right? So we had this massive consolidation on gold, and then non-stop. We could be on BTC at around this area now. So if you compare this with gold, so we are here. So this means that if we broke out from here, we made around 16%, but let's ignore this for a moment. We just want to see, yeah, and the length of the run is relatively the same. So we'll see if we will just double this amount and see if we double this amount, then we will have 2.8 and possibly 3 billion, 2 trillion market cap upcoming in BTC. So I can see the price by then would be okay. Let's change this chart to actual BTC chart, for example, to have a better overview. And this would still give us, for example, let's do this. Just take this same amount, and 150 would be almost guaranteed on BTC if the same pattern will occur again. Obviously, here at 150, the volatility will increase the very same way that we are seeing on gold. So if we just take this, we could be potentially seeing something similar. As you can see, let's take this. So this is what I'm expecting on gold on BTC. So we reach 150, then we have a massive volatility, and then we just continue upwards moving forward. So I think it's coded. I think 150 million, 150 per Bitcoin is coded, and unless something major happens, then we're about to see a really, really nice run towards the upside. Once we break 110K, then it's basically a price discovery on BTC. So this is my personal opinion on how I'm seeing this. And I just show you that these are looking very, very similar, these charts. So if we come here, so you see even this, I'm gonna just show you in the group chat as well. So this is extraordinary similarities that I'm personally seeing. Okay, I'm just gonna take this and just move to BTC. So it's very much similar. I do not even comprehend how incredibly similar these two charts are. So yeah, looking interesting for sure on both of these. I mean, could be then if we just take this like as per se, then yeah, this is potentially 150 is coded based on gold chart, and given that they are moving really, really similarly, so I'm just gonna show you this chart here. It's very much correlated. So from here you can expect that the price of Bitcoin will also go up. Also look at these similarities here. It's just insane how how correlated it actually is, right? So yeah, looking forward for this. I'm just gonna screenshot once again. I'm gonna send it to over to the community. Thanks everyone who is vibing and sharing thoughts in the community. You're very much appreciated. But now let's have a look at what's going on in the chart. So social radar again, technical radar. I'm not too much interested because it's showing that there are a lot of cheap and bullish charts based on RSIs, but honestly, there are majority of the 99% of the crypto assets are currently oversold based on indicators, but it does not mean that they're gonna, go up from here. That's definitely not the truth. But what's interesting, more interesting, obviously, as always, is the social radar, where we have a lot of crypto assets that are trading on chain and off chain as well, and that are basically talked about the most. So, as I already mentioned many times, we really want to see social weekly trend and monthly trend. These are the ones that are possibly are going to outperform any other memes because they are talked about the most, and Alchemist AI looks like an interesting project. I've never heard of it, so I'm quite intrigued to see what's inside. And it's listed on Bitmart, and has a bit of a mind share what I'm seeing right now. So Twitter, you can see some posts being done about it, but it does not seem to be a meme coin, to me at least. So what we're doing here is we're gathering all the information about this crypto, and we are seeing also smart whales, whether they are holding, whether they are accumulating or not. And usually when big guys, big whales are holding, then this possibly is a very good sign. But Pippin is also here on the social radar. A social monthly trend is something that actually counts a lot, but it is a heavily talked about project in the crypto space. So it's it's trading at around 33 cents now, and I believe that this could be something that you want to look at for sure. So yeah, there are other memes as well, but again, I am not entirely sure about the meme coin market in general. So yeah, looking to see first before entering any trade as of now, looking to see if there will be a new wave up, and before that, I'm really not considering any buys for myself. But it obviously does not matter that you can't ape or buy anything from here. But yeah, we have AI section here. Obviously, there are a lot of AI coins, and these are bound to outperform other assets, because anything that's AI driven is where the magic really happens. And we are in the midst of another dot-com bubble, but this time we're in the AI bubble. Ultimately, it will burst, but for now, I think we can enjoy the ride. But I'm not even sure if we have seen um, the bubble already bursting, because if you look at all AI cryptos, then their majority of them are just completely dead and broken. So yeah, um, I'm not buying anything for now. So I'm just giving you an overview of what kind of opportunities we here, besides memes and AI. There is obviously Deepin, which is heavily talked about publicly now, and this sector in general could do really well. So yeah, looking forward for your personal thoughts as well in the community, and to share your own um, best um, tickers to others, and let's analyze them together. So see you already tomorrow. Thanks a lot. See you. Goodbye.